Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay. In previous video or in live class we have solved 5.2 up to question number 4. Right? Now we are going to start question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 we will try to do these 4 questions. Okay. So now see. First of all question number 5 of class 7. So in 5.2 question number 5 is given, one diagram is given in this one, two lines are parallel given and next one is transversal, that is intersecting these two parallel lines. Okay, so parallel lines are given in this form 1 and 2. These are parallel line, one is M and the other one is N. Okay, according to your book. Now next one is transversal. This is shown like this, and this one is N. The name of transversal is N. Here some angles are also given, and angles are like this one X, U and Y. This is X, this is U and this one is Y, and in other side given this is Z, this one V and this one 85 degree. Correct? This is 85 degree. These angles are given. According to question is saying, if line L is parallel to M, then find X, Y, W, V, Z. These all angle we have to find whatever written here. Just see, watch it carefully. See, one angle is given. Can we find other angle also? Yes, we can find. We have. So first of all, condition is if L is parallel to M. As we know and we have discussed about the same, that if lines are parallel, then some angles like corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, co-interior angle का सम 180 होता है, and वो जो पीछे वाले एंगल थे alternate corresponding angle वो क्या होते हैं, equal होते हैं. Correct? अब यहाँ देखो, if line is parallel to M, so we will start from this 85 because this is given. Okay, 1 is given. Can we find this Z? So here, first of all, we will find angle number Z. Okay, this one. How we will find? See, you can write here directly. Angle Z will be equal to 85 degree. Now directly we have written, so we have to say something about it. So we will say why these are equal, because these are vertically opposite angle. Correct? Vertically opposite angle. As you know, vertically opposite angles are equal, right? Vertically opposite angle equal होते तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं. अब देखो Z हमारे पास आ चुका है. Correct? Same, can we find this V also? How we will find this V and 85? The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 or not? These are linear pair. Now see, V plus 85, angle V plus 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. And the reason behind this, these are linear pair. Okay, linear pair. If two angles are forming a line, their sum will be 180 degree. Okay, so this is linear pair. Next one is angle V will be equal to 180 minus 85 degree. Correct? 85 degree. So this will be equal to, okay, 180 minus 85 is equal to 180 में से 85 minus करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 95 degree. Correct? 95 degree. अब देखो, ये 95 है, ये 85 है, 95 और 85 को ऐड करेंगे तो कितने आएंगे, 95 और 85, 5 plus 5 10, here 9 plus 9 18, total 180 degree is not. Correct? So total इसका 180 degree हो गया. देखो अब हमारे पास we have to, what to find here, X, Y, Z, U, V and W. ये आपको एंगल फाइंड करने थे, W नहीं है. ठीक है, X, Y, Z and U, V हमको फाइंड करने हैं. Out of these angle we have found Z and V. देखो हमारे पास Z आ चुका है और V आ चुका है. These two we have done. Okay, next come. अब यहाँ देखो this U and 85, these are equal or not? U and 85. Why these are equal? See, angle U is also equal to 85 degree. Here also we have to write reason only, and the reason is they are corresponding angle. See here, transversal, same side and down one. So this is what will come? Corresponding. Correct? Corresponding angle. तो ये corresponding angle है, इक्वल हो गए. देखो फर्स्ट हमारा क्या आया? Angle Z. Correct? Second we got angle V, and third we got angle U. ये आपके पास तीन एंगल आ चुके हैं. Let's do now next one. देखो हमारे पास U आया. अब X की बात करें, X and V, these are also corresponding angle ना, and angle X will be equal to angle V. Is it correct or not? Correct ना? Angle X and V are equal. क्यों है ये equal? These are also corresponding angle. ठीक है, ये भी क्या है? Corresponding angle है. अब देखो ध्यान से, angle X and V की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास? V just before we have found that is 95. So angle X will be equal to 95 degree. ये हमारे पास next angle आ गया. हमारे पास VUX ये हमारे पास आ चुके हैं. Correct? This one X, U, Z and V we have found. Now one is left only, that is Y. अच्छा Y का क्या करेंगे अब? यहाँ देखो Y easy है बहुत. Y की अगर बात करें, here angle Y is equal to angle X. Correct or not? Vertical opposite angle. So this will be equal to angle X, and you can say vertically opposite angle. I am writing here VOA, means vertically opposite angle. Okay. अच्छा ये लिखने के बाद देखो angle Y will be equal to what is angle X? Just before we found that is 95 degree, right? X is 95, तो ये भी 95 हो जाएगा. So this is also 95 degree. ये हमारे सब एंगल फाइंड हो चुके हैं. करेक्ट? हमने यहाँ पर सारे एंगल फाइंड कर लिए हैं. एंगल X, Y, Z, UV, X, Y, Z, UV, all angles are there in box. Got it? Easy? बहुत इजी है ये. बस आपको एक बार समझ में आना चाहिए कि लाइन पैरेलल हो तो कौन कौन से एंगल इक्वल होते हैं और कौन कौन से एंगल इक्वल नहीं होते. ठीक है? Can you take now next? अब देखो हम नेक्स्ट लेते हैं. ठीक है? मैं नेक्स्ट के लिए क्या करता हूँ, पोज कर देता हूँ, फिर आपको इसमें क्वेश्चन लिख के बताता हूँ. Now see here, your question is ready here. Now see this question number 6. If L is parallel to M, correct? अगर L और M parallel है, then find X, Y, Z and U. These four angles we have to find, X, Y, Z and U, and we will follow the same. Now here things are, these are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, then at that time we have to follow the rule in which corresponding angle are equal, alternate angle are equal, right? So these things we will keep in our mind. So now two things are given. One angle is 69, one angle is 110, and we have to write rest other one. ध्यान रखना, these are parallel, not these two. P and Q are not parallel. Okay? I'm writing this one also. P and Q are not parallel. Correct? So don't take them as parallel line. Okay? So let's see. First of all, we will find X. How we will find X? See, X and this 69 just opposite na. So here you can write angle X is equal to 69 degree, same vertically opposite angle. Can you do like this? Okay. नेक्स्ट वन इज वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल हो गया आपका, तो 69 हो गया, रीजन भी लिख दिया हमने, और ये हमारा पास ये कंप्लीट हो चुका है एक एंगल. नेक्स्ट अगर फाइंड करें, अब नेक्स्ट को देखो ध्यान से, हमें फाइंड करना है y. ठीक है? अब ये मत समझना कि जो y है और ये दोनों कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल होंगे. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग तो है, लेकिन ये लाइन तो पैरेलल ये वाली है ना। अब ये लाइन अगर पैरेलल होती है तो फाइंड नहीं कर सकते, तो पहले हम फाइंड करते हैं इस जेड को। अब जेड फाइंड करने के लिए देखो दीस टू आर लाइन पैरेलल, सो दिस एंगल 69(1) एंड Z1, ये दोनों एंगल ऑल्टरनेट होंगे कि नहीं होंगे। सो नाउ व्हाट वी विल राइट, एंगल Z will be equal to 69 degree, correct? We will write, now we can write or not this one, and angle Z is equal to 69. What is the reason behind this? The reason is alternate interior angle. ठीक है, now we have Z also. Okay, so we have found X and Z, two angles. Okay, now we will find angle Y. See, in this book I have written this one by mistake. This is 110. Okay, this is 110 degree. This angle is given, we have 110. Okay, now this is 110. So can you find this Y also? So now angle Y is equal to 110 degree. What is the reason? Same vertically opposite angle. So you can write reason in front of the same, vertically opposite angle. And vertically opposite angle are equal when lines are parallel or line are intersecting each other. Every time it is equal. Next one is Y and U, correct? So angle U will be equal to angle Y. Now see, these lines are parallel, so these two angles we will call them corresponding angle. What we will call? Corresponding angle. So these are corresponding, correct? These are corresponding angle, so we can make them equal. So angle U will be equal to angle Y, and the Y is 110, so this will be 110 degree. Done? ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. We have finished this one. Okay, now next question I am going to take, that is question number 7. और question number 7 क्या है, ध्यान से देखना. Hope you understood this one. कमेंट में रिप्लाई करके जरूर बताना अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो. If there is any problem, you want to ask something, so कमेंट में आप लिख सकते हो कि मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया. In next live class I'll take it. Live class or in next video, whatever it will be, I'll make you understand everything related to this session. So now question number 7. In question number 7 also one figure is given. Two line N and T and L and M are intersecting each other. देखो this one such type of diagram is given. This one is N, this is T, then things are given. This is angle A, this one angle B, line L and line M. This is angle C, angle E, angle D, and this angle is given 75 degree. अब देखो ध्यान से, इसमें केवल एक ही एंगल दिया है. Again the condition as L is parallel to M, N is parallel to T. ठीक है, ये दिखाई दे रही है लाइन आपको? Is it clearly visible? ठीक है, अब दिखाई दे रही होगी. डार्क हो गई है ना थोड़ी सी. अब देखो, we have to find angle ABC. Here what is given? L parallel to M, and these are N is parallel to T. देखो अगर ये आपस में पैरेलल है, ये भी आपस में पैरेलल है, तो सेम हम जो एंगल की बात कर रहे थे ना, वो सारे रूल हम फॉलो करेंगे कि कौन कौन से एंगल इक्वल होते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ सी how to find angle ABCD. How we will find angle ABCD? We will start from B. हमको पता है ना B का, क्योंकि vertical opposite है. So first of all we will find angle B, and angle B is equal to 75 degree. Correct? Directly we can say, and the reason behind this, vertically opposite angle are equal. Correct? Vertically opposite angle are equal, so we can say these are 75 degree. Now next one is B we have done. See here, B and A, these two are parallel, na? And this one is transversal. Okay, so here B and A are corresponding angle. So here angle A will be equal to angle B. Reason, corresponding angle. If these are equal, so can we write the value of B? So angle B A will be equal to, B is 75 degree, so you can write it 75 degree. Correct? Next one, that is A we have done, B we have done. Now we have to find C. अब यहाँ C देखो, C और B भी कैसे हैं? Corresponding, because two lines are parallel. One is transversal, same side of transversal, upper one and lower one. These are called corresponding. So again we can do the same thing. So here again we can write B and C are equal. So angle C will be equal to angle B. The reason is corresponding angle. ठीक है? कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल हो गए. अच्छा, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल में देखो एंगल C विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल B. क्या निकला था अभी? B था 75 डिग्री, तो ये 75 डिग्री आप लिख सकते हो. ये भी हमको पता चल गया है. करेक्ट? वी गॉट दिस वन ऑल्सो. नाउ व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? E and C are equal because they are vertically opposite. So we can write angle E is equal to angle C. Reason, vertically opposite angle. Correct? तो यहाँ देखो एंगल E will be equal to C is 75 डिग्री, तो ये भी हमारा 75 डिग्री हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये दोनों वर्टिकली अपोजिट है. करेक्ट? अब B की बात करें, देखो D and E are alternate interior angle. करेक्ट? सेकेंड थिंग C and D are corresponding angle. आपको जो ठीक लगे कोई एक लिख लो, anyone. ठीक है? ये दोनों और ये दोनों, तो कौन सा लिखे? D और E कर लेते हैं. सो हियर क्या करता हूं मैं, है ना? एंगल D will be equal to angle E. Reason, alternate interior angle. ठीक है? ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल होने से क्या हो गया? एंगल D will be equal to एंगल E. कितना हो गया? एंगल E तो 75 डिग्री था, ये 75 डिग्री हो गया. तो ये these three questions we have done. ठीक है? ज्यादा हैवी वीडियो हो जाएगी, तो इतने क्वेश्चन हमने कर लिए हैं. रेस्ट क्वेश्चन वी विल डू नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ट्राई टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9. Okay, first do these three questions in your notebook properly, and after that try to solve rest questions also. Next two questions you will try, and in next section if there is any problem, write in comment box. I will reply for the same. 100% I will reply to you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.